Well, with the Super Bowl this weekend, bets are being placed on the game at a pace never seen before.
Yep, just the second Super Bowl since the U.S. Supreme Court opened the door to legal sports betting outside Nevada.
Now, News 5's John Kosick looks at the numbers and when Ohio might join surrounding states in allowing the betting.
Since the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling in a New Jersey case opened the doors to sports betting, 14 states now offer it, including the neighboring states of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Indiana, with Michigan to follow this spring. As a result, the American Gaming Association estimates that a record $6.8 billion will be wagered on the Super Bowl, up more than 30% from just 2 years ago.
We're going to see a continued evolution there where you're going to have 25, maybe 30 states legal by this time next year, which means that many more Americans will have access to safe legal sports betting in their home state.
With access, though, comes issues.
In Ohio, the latest research, which was a large study in 2017, shows that over 900,000 Ohio adults are at some level of risk for problem gambling.
That's almost 2.5 times the population of Cleveland, a staggering number in and of itself, but consider the fact it's roughly doubled since 2012 when legalized gambling came to the state.
The Super Bowl absolutely can be a trigger, similar to March Madness. Anytime there's a sporting event that is normalized along with gambling, that gets people who aren't necessarily usually sports betting into that action, and then that can have then effects down the line.
Ohio's approach to sports betting has been a slow and methodical one, but Governor DeWine's been clear.
It's coming to Ohio whether people want it or not.
It's still not clear, though, who will oversee it. The Casino Control Commission, which has authority over the 4 casinos, or the Ohio Lottery, which regulates the 7 racinos. Beyond that, Governor DeWine told me other concerns need to be addressed.
One is sports betting going to be on your app? Is that something that, can we control it enough? Can we have the regulations to protect, somebody underage from picking up your app and betting?
Another is one voiced to him by universities like Ohio State and Xavier that have contacted him worried about betting on college sports.
These are a couple issues that clearly are going to have to be looked at by the General Assembly, but sports gaming is certainly coming to Ohio.
John Kosick, News 5.